you watch Almora, he saw it, and
according to StatCast, the ball was going at least 90 miles per hour. Cubs outfielder Albert Almora Jr. was understandably upset, knowing that the ball he hit ended up hurting a little girl.
this was moments ago. Albert Almora Jr. coming in.
Between innings, the Cubs player walked over to talk to a security guard who was near the girl. He broke down in that woman's arms. Yes, it was an accident, but some believe that it could have been prevented with netting from foul pole to foul pole. Almora's teammate Chris Bryant spoke following the game.
I mean, let's just put fences up around the whole field. I mean, it's so sad when you see stuff like that happen.
Last August, the woman died 4 days after being hit by a foul ball at Dodger Stadium. Vance McKay has been hit and hurt. Major League Baseball recommended the team extend the netting before the 2017 season. It wasn't a requirement, but many teams like the Royals did it, and even added Almora Jr., who's the father of 2 boys, says he'll be praying for the little girl.
God willing, I'll be able to have a relationship with this little girl for the rest of my life. But, prayers right now.
And that little girl was taken to the hospital, but we do not have an update on her condition.
Well, he was so visibly shaken.
He was, and seeing it break down in that security guard's arms, it was just unbelievable, yeah.
And because of what happened, the discussion of adding more netting once again on the minds of many people. We'll see if Major League Baseball is going to do anything about this or not.
Yeah, and you know, we've had seen it in the past, and Major League Baseball didn't do anything, so we'll see. Well, coming up here, as people continue to clean up from this week's EF4 tornado, we'll show you the new thing that they have to worry about now.
Hey, I'm tracking a couple of sprinkles this evening, but it's the heat that I'm tracking for tomorrow. That's Full Track 5 forecast coming up.
Your 7-day weather forecast is sponsored by Security Bank of Kansas City. Mornings, you've got this. You want to get you back prepared for swings that fly on-time traffic. Get you there faster, especially when the weather is at its worst. Plus, the info is what to do, because KCTV 5 News in the Morning stands for you.
Hey, I'm Jason with HouseMax. Are you struggling with the financial burden of getting ready to sell your property? Consider selling to HouseMax. We can close fast, sometimes in just a few days. Call or visit us online at housemax.com.